Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the HOMIGIFTY brand 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner for your car. This is also an air duster, but we're going to open it up. We're going to show you what it looks like, get it out of the case, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so once we get this unzipped and opened, just going to show you there's a lot, nice big cleaning brush, USB-C charger, a couple other cleaning style brushes, a couple adjustments, attachments that can be utilized for this. Your little vent, filter I should say. Again, more attachments, more brushes. And then in this is the completely foldable, clicks into place, already has one of the filters in. There's your mouth. To open this up, I'm assuming, actually that's not accurate. Let's see, how does it open? Read your manual, which is up here. We'll do that real quick to kind of walk through that. All right, so this is a little bit tricky for those that just don't have a quick understanding of stuff like that. So this is to unlock. This will keep it locked. And once you unlock, don't try and force it. Literally just press this button down and it'll fling open. Makes it simple and obvious once you know what you're doing. Again, lock it there, and that'll help you to just dump dust quickly. And then on the second part of that, there's a turn here if you need to change out the filter. Filter goes right in, hooks like so, and you'll just be pulling that out. That's another way to kind of dump, but either way, that's how this thing will lock in. Now, with attachments, most of them are set up for the vacuum capabilities, but this also doubles as a blower, so it also has a light right here. But understand that to use this as a blower, this can hook into the back and grow significantly. So we're going to demonstrate that in a minute. That actually popped off once I turned it up, so you'll have to make sure it stays on tight, but let's go demonstrate this. All right, so first let's cover functionality as far as the power. When you turn it on, first, this is where you're going to plug it in. I hope the lighting's okay for the USB-C charger. You'll see 3 go on, but it's good. When it gets down to 2, it probably is running low, needs charging. And then, as you know, just pressing this button, you'll have a low and a medium, or I guess a low and a high, and then an off. So let's just show you real quick the vacuuming capabilities. First of all, like I said, I love that it's lit, and it does a really nice job of kind of getting stuff in. And I also wanted to show you kind of the blowing capabilities in a second. And you can already see kind of how much stuff is in there. But now let's show you kind of the blowing capabilities, so let's hold on. All right, so please note the notches here. And so what you'll want to do is kind of find that notch when you're circling to get it in, and then turn so that way it definitely doesn't fall out. So let's kind of just show you quickly how this stuff kind of dumps out. It doesn't come out perfectly, but I mean, again, that's just one quick vacuum. And we're just going to go ahead and show you the capabilities of blowing here. You see that leaf is pretty far away here, and you're still able to get that stuff. So like, you can see the distance that this is going. That's your low and medium, or your low and high. So it's got a pretty strong, I'm sure you can hear it, but it's silent, which is really nice, but it's pretty functional. Good distance capabilities, so as you can imagine, if you're getting into a tight little area, it does a real nice job of kind of cleaning out. So really strong, really capable. So totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.